Woodworkers, get ready. Today, we're unlocking 10 stunning, budget-friendly DIY sofa ideas made entirely from pallets. Whether you're decorating a balcony, upgrading your living room, or creating backyard lounge seating, these pallet sofa designs will turn your space into a stylish comfort zone without spending a fortune. So grab your measuring tape, grab your pallets, and let's build. Design idea first. The classic two-seater sofa, simple, elegant, and perfect for beginners. This design uses two pallets stacked for the base and one single pallet for the backrest. Sand it well, add matte paint, and finish with thick cushions for a clean, modern look. Design idea second, L-shaped corner lounge. A favorite for patios and terraces. Arrange pallets in an L shape, add a double-height base, and secure the backrest using metal brackets. Finish with waterproof cushions for long-lasting outdoor comfort. Design idea third, minimalist floor sofa. For cozy, low-height seating, place one single layer of pallets directly on the floor. Choose neutral fabric cushions to create a calming, Zen-style vibe. It's perfect for reading corners or meditation spaces. Design idea fourth, rustic armrest sofa. Add functionality with pallet armrests on both sides. These armrests double as mini shelves where you can keep books, remotes, or even a cup of coffee. Design idea fifth, pallet daybed sofa. Want a sofa that also works as a bed? Stack pallets to form a long, wide platform. Add a thick mattress-style cushion, and you've got a stylish daybed for relaxing or napping. Design idea sixth, sofa with built-in storage, perfect for small spaces. Leave the inner pallet sections open to create hidden storage compartments. Store blankets, shoes, books, and keep your room clutter-free. Design idea seventh, outdoor wheelbase sofa. Attach swivel wheels to the bottom pallets to create a mobile outdoor sofa. This lets you shift seating around the garden or terrace effortlessly. Design idea eighth, Highback pallet sofa for luxurious comfort. Use two stacked pallets vertically to create an extended backrest. It's a bold, stylish design perfect for modern interiors. Design idea ninth, U-shaped family sofa. Need more seating? Build a wide U-shaped configuration using multiple pallets. Add matching cushions and side tables to create a complete family conversation zone. Design idea 10th, hanging pallet swing sofa. Here's the most creative one. Convert a pallet platform into a hanging swing sofa. Use strong metal chains and mount it safely from a beam or pergola. Add colorful cushions for a beautiful, floating relaxation spot. If you love these pallet sofa ideas and want to build even more amazing furniture, then don't miss this. There's a complete woodworking resource trusted by millions, Ted's Woodworking. It includes 16,000 step-by-step plans, detailed diagrams, material lists, and beginner-friendly tutorials for every type of project you can imagine. Whether you're building pallet furniture, indoor decor, garden projects, or full-scale woodworking masterpieces, Ted's Woodworking makes everything easier. Click the link below and explore the world's biggest woodworking plan collection today.